Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue where the AnyDesk application is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. See, here's the thing, people download it in the wrong way. That is why it doesn't work. So search for AnyDesk in the search bar on your browser, go to its website and click on download now. So here's what happens. When it downloads and you click on open, it is basically saved in the temporary files folder. And you may be able to access it and even use it, but when you search for it in the Windows search bar, it doesn't appear. We have a folder for it, but the application does not appear. So here's what you have to do. You have to click on this option here and copy it, and then you can paste it at some other location, let's say the desktop. Now you can open it from the desktop directly, and this is how you will be able to access the AnyDesk application. Okay, so this is the process, and then you can click on install AnyDesk on this device and click on accept and install. Okay, now it will properly install AnyDesk on your system. Okay, you will have to click on install. Okay, and now it is will properly install AnyDesk on your system, and you can search for it. So this is how you can install it on your computer, and if it doesn't work even after that, then you will simply have to uninstall and reinstall it. There is no other option because there are no options to reset and repair it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.